Hi there, friends. It's Laura the Teach. Today we're going to do a lesson on AW. Now, we've talked about two other combinations, AU and AL or ALL. All of these say aw. Think of a cute little thing and say aw. When you see these combinations, they are not vowel teams. They say aw. Today our focus is going to be on AW. Now AW, when you're writing words with AW, the AW is often in the middle or at the end of the word, whereas AU was at the beginning or in the middle of the word, and AL and ALL was usually at the end of the word. So AW is typically in the middle or the end of a word. And we're going to practice some words with AW in them. Remember again, the sound is aw. Our first word, yawn. Yawn. You yawn because you might be tired. There's your H brother, Theodore. Thaw. When the snow starts to melt, we say it is beginning to thaw. There's a cluster blend. Straw. There's Sheldon, the H brother. Shawl. A shawl is like a blanket, a small blanket that you might put over your shoulders when you're cold. Slaw, like coleslaw. You make it with cabbage. Saw, like you can saw something with a saw. It has sharp teeth on it, it's metal, or you saw something, past tense of seeing something. Raw means it's not cooked. Lawn, your grass outside. Law, police officers are the law. Jaw, this is your jaw, your jaw. Hawk, it's a type of, like an eagle. It's a predator bird that goes and hunts. Flaw means that it's an imperfection, something that's just not right. You might have a shirt and everything looks great, but there might be like a stitch out of place. That's a flaw in the shirt. Crawl. Get on your hands and knees, and that's how you move. Claw. An animal with long nails has claws. Ball. You cry really hard. Paw. It's the foot of an animal. SQU. Squawk. Squawk. Something might go wah! Make a squawk noise. Here's a silent E. Does not make that A long. So here's a case. E's at the end of a word and you don't hear it. Aw. Now, it says aw, but this is if you're in awe of something. Something amazes you. And like, I'm in awe of you at how well you have done doing these sounds. AW, AL and ALL, and AU. Aw. I am in awe of you. Great job.